We're gonna learn how we can install the extensions in Tachiyomi app. I'm already inside the Tachiyomi app right now. Firstly, just go to More tab, scroll down here, this is the settings, scroll down and go to Browse. And here you've got the option to add the extension repos. Tap on extension repos plus. Now in Tachiyomi, every of the extension repo URL must end with index.min.json. All other URLs are invalid. So let's give you a demonstration by adding the repo URL. Go back to home screen, launch any browser and start by just doing a Google search for Tachiyomi extensions GitHub. Scroll down and we're gonna find one trusted source, this one here, KUC extensions. Tap here, scroll down. To give you a demonstration, you can just copy this extension repo URL. As you can see, the repo URL just ends with index.min.json. Copy this whole URL, copy link address. Go back to Tachiyomi and input the URL. Once you do that, and just add. So thus the extension repo has been added. Go back. And the next thing you want to do here is go to Browse, go to Extensions, and if you refresh here once you scroll down, all of your extensions will be updated here. To install an extension, just tap on the install button and install. Once the extension is installed, it will move up to the untrusted section. It's here. Tap on the extension that you just installed and just trust. Once it's trusted, it will move up and it will be visible. Now if you go to sources, and this is updated here. So that's how you can install the extensions in Tachiyomi app. Like this video and subscribe to this channel.